Good evening once more. So this is a video that every business needs, how to get traffic, usual notifications. So you really need a funnel, and this is a page a bit like this where someone clicks on and then opt-ins to your funnel. So you need that set up first of all. So we're going to head over to X, quite like that platform. We do a lot of good training in Facebook marketing, which can take a while to build that up, but X is one of the easiest and it's quite quick and fast, so we'll head over to that just now. So here you can post, but what should do, I've got, if we go to profile, I've got a few followers, 642. But before you want to post, you want to really build up an audience. So we'll go through some of the best ways of doing that. So you really need to optimize your profile as well. I've obviously done it already. I've got a cover photo, and then we've got the name, and then a bio. Really shouldn't do it. Check my email wasn't displayed. So you've got your website link, and that's a tracking link, which is similar to one they've just looked at. So if someone clicks on your profile, they click on your link and they can go to your website or your funnel, and then here's a bio. So you can use ChatGPT for free and just say, write me a bio for X. You all should be using that these days, because it's really a great master copywriter. So and many other things. And then you want, when you do start posting, you want to pin a tweet to your profile, and you'll get a lot of traffic because they've seen it on your profile. And look, with 2,500 impressions, 20 likes, retweets. Say that right, retweet. So what that means, it gets sent to their list, to their followers rather, and that's 8 comments. So if you click on here, you can see the comments and things like that. So say you don't want to post at the start, we want to try and build up an audience. So we go to home, and then this is what I suggest you do. You follow 5 people that's in your niche. Just read a wee bit about it, and put love, and then write a detailed comment. So you'd want to just, I'm not going to do it just now, but I'll just tell what you would write. So just read a wee bit about it, and you could write, oh, that's so easy to do that. That seems like a good product, and then by doing that, they may follow you, and you've already followed them, and then you'd move on to the next one. So this is about trading. You could love that, and then write, oh, that's a great image. You could write something like, oh, your starts are really going good. It's on the way up. That's the way to go. So you do that with about 5 people every day, and then head over to your profile and your followers, and then you would just pick 5 at random and do the same thing. So over time, you'll get followers, you'll get traffic as well. And also, I'm a premium member, so that means when you do posts, you could actually do longer posts as well. So that's something you consider doing as well. And then go to your messages every day as well, and reply to messages, and then with the notifications, anytime you get a comment on anything or a follower, you would click on there, say thanks for following me, or if you get a message, you would want to reply and get the most opportunity to really get traffic on X. And then the last thing for now, what you could actually do would be join Twitter Spaces. There's a lot of it's kind of similar to Facebook groups. You would just participate in these discussions, and through that, you can get likes, you can get comments, you can get followers, and then over time you're building your list, and then after some time when you've got some followers, you can start posting. I do suggest use ChatGPT. If you actually go into our free training, which the link's in the description, then you will see more in-depth training in all of social media, including X, formerly known as Twitter. So come a look, have a look rather, and come and join us, and we'll see you there.